Alright, the movie I reviewed was Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of All. Who gives a fuck? This movie about Frodo. But guess what? For a lead character in the movie, Frodo don't look like he about pussy. He look like he's about dick. And that's lucky for him because you got that portly nigga Sam by your side. But guess what? Guess who's after you? Sauron. Yeah, Sauron. I know your fucking name. I know where you chill too, up in that mountain. Sauron, you got all these hood niggas working for you, proceeding from the mountain, creeping on the horses. Now you don't even probably pay them no health insurance, fucking bastard. You got a motherfucking Schmeagle talking about Precious. He's a piece of shit. And creeping around, finding you around, creeping naked. Guess what? I seen Gandalf too. Gandalf, I know anyone with that thick and wide of a beard must be a fucking racist. So fuck Gandalf, man. Anyway, movie, they gotta meet up, they gotta become friends, and they gotta go fight Sauron. I don't know how they're gonna do that with a fucking bow and arrow. He's like 20 stories tall. Anyway, this movie had a couple good women in it, had a couple good scenes of action, and there's one point they're hiding behind a tree, man. I'll never even be caught in a forest, let alone be under a tree. So, whatever, just watch it. You got 4 hours to kill, just watch it.